Do you ever look at somebody's Instagram pictures and wonder how do they look so good even while wearing something very basic? Or maybe if you have a friend who's always well dressed and no matter what she's wearing or what he is wearing, they always manage to look really good. So this video is all about that. I'm going to share some few basic tips or basic things that I take care of when I'm getting ready. Trust me, ये tips इतनी simple and easy होने वाले हैं कि खुद आपको लगेगा कि why didn't we think of them? So yeah, I hope that you enjoy this and find this helpful, and let me know if this video idea or format was good. And yeah, let's go. First rule is accessorizing. No matter how basic your outfit is, I'm literally wearing just an oversized shirt with blue denims. You need to accessorize to elevate your look. Add a belt which goes with the color scheme, a neck piece, it could be a layered one, chunky, dainty, go with your vibe and aesthetic. I also like to add a watch and a shoulder bag, and that's it. I've always been an earrings person, but I've realized a simple neck piece can add that extra bling to your simple outfits and can make them stand out. Now the next point is something personally I don't like. जैसे somebody is wearing a light colored outfit from top to shoes and adds a black belt, because a black belt is something जो सबके पास होती है. I feel it literally breaks the whole color coordination. You just need two colors in belts and you'll be sorted. One black and one brown or tan. Tan goes with your bright and light colored outfits and black for your dark colored clothes. You can see how well coordinated the brown belt with brown sandals and the black belt with black boots looks. I also added a black bag to the same look to show you guys how much color coordinated accessories can amp up your look. Now your hair can make or break your look, trust me on that. I've recently started using Style & Grow by Super Smelly. It's a natural hair gel. Super Smelly is a personal care brand which aims at Gen Z with their certified toxin-free products, which provides not only good hold to your hair but also stimulates hair growth. जैसे regular hair gels में ये होता है, they can make your hair very rough and very dry, and you know, उसमें your natural texture gets lost. It actually makes your hair very stiff and I don't like that look at all. But this on the other hand is very natural. It actually gives a very sleek and clean look to your hair without affecting your hair texture at all. You just need to squeeze out some amount of this gel on your hands, rub it and just gently massage it in your ends and just quickly comb it taki it gets applied evenly throughout your hair, and also to give that sleek hair look to your hair. If you want that matte sleek look, then you can apply it to your dry hair. It actually works for that sleek Deepika Padukone wala look as well. Just apply it on your wet hair and that's it. I actually want to try it. Or simply curl your hair with your fingers or hands and the gel will hold those messy waves. The natural ingredients of Style & Grow like onion oil, biotin and flaxseed oil keep the damage and graying away and also keep your hair nourished and soft. And we all know how good biotin is for your hair. Using chemical hair gels can actually cause you hair fall at times as well, but this one is natural and it actually stimulates hair growth. Kabhi I try to make those sleek buns for some of my looks to just look more elegant, but mere baby hairs सामने से they always pop up. So this gel can work on that as well. Just take an old toothbrush, हल्का सा gel लगा के just brush it over the baby hairs and that's it. That's all you need to do. And for me, the best part about this gel is that it's gender neutral. Not only can girls use it, but also boys can use it. So if you have a friend, brother or boyfriend who you know is very addicted to hair gels, give them this natural replacement. And also Valentine's Day आ रहा है, so यार दे सकते हैं. मैं link कर दूँगी नीचे. Also, no matter your hair is wavy or curly, long or short, colored or natural, it can work on all types of hair. So yeah, definitely check this out. I also like the fact that it doesn't make your hair dull at all. Like my hair do not look dull. Another simple way to elevate your look is by adding a pop of color. Lately, I've been loving layering my sweatshirts over a turtleneck, but we'll add a twist this time. I added a yellow turtleneck under the white sweatshirt. I like when the turtleneck peeps through the sleeves and the neck as well. Also added a yellow bag and voila. Now this looks 10 times better than the usual sweatshirt and jeans ka combo, doesn't it?
I know all black outfits were the safest and the coolest options since years, but now I feel they are way too basic. And one way to elevate this basic look is by adding one piece for that pop of color. It could be a shoe, heel, an outerwear. I'll be going for a knitted scarf for this look, and yeah, I feel this works really well. In fact, I prefer this over an all black look any day. Plus, I really like this weird some mustard color with the black. I think it complements it. If you haven't bought yourself at least one pair of high-waist bottoms, oh my god, what you're doing. These are the best trend there is and which has been there since 2 years now, and it's not gonna leave anytime soon. So get yourself at least one pair. It could be anything, skirts, pants, denims, anything. Even the most basic tops look cute and edgy when paired with something high-waisted. Now winter's का सबसे basic look is a sweater or a turtleneck and an overcoat or a jacket over it. But trust me, if you just add one more layer na, it will look so much better. Like I added a flannel with my solid blazer. I think the brown tones complement each other. I love doing this. You could actually add a white shirt or another sweatshirt on it. My favorite way is to add a sweater vest currently. It looks as if तुमने कितने efforts लगाए हैं in your look, but in reality you've just added one more layer that complements your turtleneck and the blazer. That's it. Now this was a plain blazer, so I could play around with the patterns, but अगर कोई patterned outerwear है, then I would go for a plain shirt or a simple sweater vest as well. Now this could be just me, but I feel the shape of your boots affects how tall you look. My combat boots have heels, trust me, but the shape of it from the front makes my legs look shorter. While the pointy toe of the knee-high boots add to the length of my legs, I feel they just elongate my lower body, specifically when I'm taking pictures. Trust me, it shows. Trust me, whenever you see an influencer's picture, jahan pe they look extremely tall and very lean, check their shoe.
So yeah, that was all for this week's video. Honestly, batana ki if you liked this video idea or not, because tabhi I'll try and do more of such videos. And yeah, और कोई idea हो तो please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
1, 2, 3, funky.